I did not want to be a victim of the danger noodle there.
No. All right. The weather's still warm.
Yep, it is. Pretty warm for the snakes as well. So here's what we're looking at, folks. We've now seen 2 consecutive days of high temperatures at 78. You take all the averages together, that's above normal, and that follows 6 consecutive days of below normal temperatures. We started the month out warm, but we're starting to heat things up once again after that cold spell, quote unquote, that we saw a few days ago. Clear skies right now in Tyler, a couple of clouds around. We're at 75 degrees. The wind's been more noticeable today, if you've noticed that, south-southeast at 10 miles per hour. The remainder of our temps are in the 70s. It is warmer where we've got more sunshine out at DFW. It's 80 degrees. It's 74 in Lufkin, 72 in Nacogdoches right now. And this has been interesting, folks. We have seen what has looked like a landfalling hurricane over the last several days, and you can see it right there. It's just to the north of Jackson, and it just looks like a pretty nasty storm system, which it is, bringing a lot of rain to Mississippi. But all it really did for us were those showers yesterday and the clouds that we saw today. So we're not seeing any rain tonight. We're down to about 57 degrees. Tomorrow, forecasted to be a little warmer than what we saw today. Got our high temperatures in the 80s tomorrow afternoon. So excellent evening to get out and about for this evening, and then tomorrow about as good. Futurecast, 8 o'clock. Just a couple of clouds here and there as we head into the overnight hours. We're still dealing with those clear skies. I do think we see more clouds to our southwest tomorrow. And then the only noticeable thing with your weather will be those strong southerly winds. They'll be anywhere from about 15 to 20 miles per hour. And also the cloud cover. It will be increasing by this time tomorrow night. That's 6 o'clock. Dry line out to our west. We have a nice cap in place that prevents most of the storms from happening tomorrow. And then as we head into Saturday, we still have the dry line out to the west, but we're going to have an oncoming cold front that will break the cap, and we'll see developing showers and thunderstorms as a result. This is 6 o'clock Saturday evening. Note the storms, especially to the east of Henderson, down to Nacogdoches, down to Lufkin, and in parts of Louisiana and Arkansas. That's the best chance of storms. To the west of the front, we're not going to really be seeing much of anything. We're dry by 10 o'clock Saturday, and we're going to be dry most of Sunday as well. Level 1 marginal risk if the cap happens to break tomorrow afternoon. That does increase to a level 2 slight risk because our confidence is higher that the cold front will do the job for us as we move into your Saturday. But again, it's our far eastern counties highlighted in the level 2 slight risk. Tyler, Longview, Jacksonville, Henderson areas in the green under a level 1 marginal risk of severe weather. And this is not going to be an impressive rain event by any stretch of the imagination. If we do see heavy rain, it's likely to be in our eastern counties where, if we're lucky, we see up to a quarter of an inch of rain, but most of us in the single digits as far as those hundredths of an inch of precipitation goes. Next 7, 82 Friday, 83 Saturday, lots of sunshine Sunday and Monday. Highs will be in the 70s. Next chance of rain will be Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week, and that's when the 80s will return as well. Deep East Texas, middle 80s the next couple of days. Some severe storms possible, especially to the east of Lufkin, Nacogdoches, and Crockett. 70s and 80s Sunday and Monday. Neil?
The ground's still wet down there.